Friends, welcome to Dr. V channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head Veterinary Medicine. In this presentation, we'll start with new disease, pregnancy toxemia. It is similar to bovine ketosis. Pregnancy toxemia is an important metabolic disease. In part 1, we'll study synonym, introduction or definition, and etiology of pregnancy toxemia, especially in sheep and goats. Pregnancy toxemia in ewes and goats. Generally, this disease occurs in pregnant ewes and goats, especially carrying twins, two fetuses. And here the symptoms are nervous symptoms. So just like toxic symptoms, here there is ketosis. So it is named as pregnancy toxemia. There are several synonyms. Twin lamb disease. The name derived because the pregnant ewe carrying twins. So name is given twin lamb disease. Similarly, twin kid disease. Pregnant doe carrying twins. Means two fetuses. Simply twinning disease. Multiple fetuses in the uterus. Kid disease. Because it is because of presence of kid in the mother. Kidding disease, the same philosophy. Presence of kids in the pregnant uterus of mother, and reason is that hypoglycemia and disease occurs. There are several other synonyms also. Ketosis of pregnancy. Here the similar type, just like bovine ketosis is observed in sheep and goat, especially during pregnancy. So ketosis of pregnancy. Antepartum paralysis. In pregnant ewes and doe, when they become pregnant, especially later stage of the pregnancy. So before parturition, the animal shows depression, paralysis, coma, recumbency. So it is named as antepartum paralysis based on symptoms. Sleepy sickness, same philosophy. Recumbency, depression, paralysis. Just like the sheep is sleeping, nervous symptom. Sleeping ewe disease, the same philosophy as that of sleepy sickness. Caprine ketosis, just like bovine ketosis occur in bovine, the caprine ketosis occur in goat. Ovine ketosis occur in sheep. So name is given. Here the biochemical defects and most of the causes are same as that of bovine ketosis. I have already uploaded video in very much detail. Requested to observe that video. Here we will see what is pregnancy toxemia. Introduction or definition. It is a metabolic disease of sheep, especially ewes, and goat, especially doe. This metabolic disease is highly fatal disease. It is a serious disease, and even after treatment, the chances of becoming normal is very less. The disease is more common in older ewes carrying multiple fetuses. Here the multiple fetuses is an important etiology. The disease occurs in later stage of pregnancy because in later stage of the pregnancy there is a fast growth of the fetuses, and when the fetuses grow very fast, the demand of glucose energy is more. And because of this high demand of energy, there is ketosis type symptoms and there is pregnancy toxin. We continue with the definition. The biochemical change is hypoglycemia, decreased glucose level in blood. There is negative energy balance. Why and how negative energy balance we'll see in detail later on. But here there is starvation or offit and there is high demand of energy by the fetus. That leads to negative energy balance. The pregnancy toxemia is characterized by first sign is the feed refusal, anorexia. Then characteristic neurological dysfunctions and behavioral symptoms are observed. Finally, there is recumbency, paralysis and death. This is the characteristic symptom. The most common biochemical changes are hypoglycemia, decreased glucose level of blood, ketonemia, increased ketone levels of blood, and low liver glycogen. This is the characteristic. For clear understanding, please listen to the etiology. The main cause is deficiency of glucose in blood, hypoglycemia, and that is caused by most primary cause low consumption of grain. Grain contain carbohydrate, so low consumption of the carbohydrate. Inadequate nutrition during late gestation. During late gestation, there is fast growth fetus. Fast growing fetus require more energy and even a slight starvation leads to deficiency of glucose and hypoglycemia and disease. Decline in plane of nutrition, especially during last 2 months of pregnancy. I already told you. During last 2 months of the pregnancy, there is growth of fetus is very fast. They require constant glucose. And another etiology is decreased capacity of rumen due to fetal growth. When two or more fetuses are there, grown fetuses in the abdomen, they occupy the space and they decrease the capacity of the rumen. So feed intake of the sheep or goat also decreases. This is also the one of the reasons. We continue with the etiology. Most susceptible stage is pregnant females carrying twins or triplet fetus in the uterus. The pregnant female doe or ewe contain two fetuses or more than three fetuses in uterus. Primary pregnancy toxemia. When it is called as primary? When there is thin ewes and when they are getting inadequate nutrition. Here the diet is the cause. So it is called as primary pregnancy toxemia. The thin ewes are more susceptible to develop ketosis, which are chronically inadequate ration. When they are not getting ration for a long time, they suffer from disease. So it is called as primary pregnancy toxemia. Another type is estate ketosis. Here the ewes are not thin, the ewes are fat ewes, but with a depraved appetite or depressed appetite. When the when the ewes are over conditioned, fat may have a depressed appetite, may develop a ketosis. Because of this fat ew, it is considered as estate. So it is called as estate ketosis. We continue with the etiology. We have the primary pregnancy toxemia. The reason is the diet, anorexia, or diet lack of carbohydrate. The secondary pregnancy toxemia, here there is anorexia caused by many other diseases. Presence of concurrent diseases lead to anorexia. And when there is anorexia, there is hypoglycemia. The common diseases are pneumonia, foot rot, many viral diseases, bacterial diseases or parasitic diseases. All this causes anorexia. So there is hypoglycemia. Decreased feed intake due to stress, many stress factors that also causes decreased feed intake and hypoglycemia, such as adverse weather, too much hot weather, too much cold weather, hot humid climate, excessive monsoon, handling or restraining of the sheep or goat for certain purposes, for medication purposes, for vaccination purposes, or for shearing purposes, for castration purposes, for docking purposes. All these are the stress factors. And transport is also a stress factor. This all causes decreased feed intake. Stress leads to ketosis. Continue with the etiology. It is a disease of intensive farming system. When sheep are raised totally intensive, they are lack of exercise. And exercise is a direct relation with the disease. Lack of exercise, more disease. And this pregnancy toxemia is relatively rare in grazing animals, grazing sheep, because during grazing, the sheep get sufficient exercise, exposure to natural environment, and natural good food. So this is also less. So exercise has negative relation with the disease. Increased plasma cortisol for a long time also causes hypoglycemia and the disease. When there are stressful environmental factors and nutritional stress for a long time, there is increased plasma cortisol level, and the liver is a failure to utilize or mobilize this cortisol, and that leads to ketosis. Many worms that may cause a great stress due to worm load, the animal may under stress may take less food, and the worm which causes ketosis is Haemonchus contorta. Of course, other worms are also there. Friends, you have seen the synonyms, etiology, and introduction or definition of disease. By this, you will be clear what is pregnancy toxemia, what is ovine ketosis, caprine ketosis. Please share this information to veterinarians, and to promote the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.